And we back. Chef Dom. You know what I'm saying? We back.
It's all good.
We back with it.
Girl, those eyes, your lips, your smile, your hips,
Got an appearance.
those thighs, and I can't deny.
Chef Dom back. We back, baby. We back. Yo, Eric, chill out, bro. I'm a chef, bro. Chill out. I'm nice. If y'all need to hire me, I mean, I can't do it right now. We're in quarantine, but you know, when this is all over, if basketball ain't work out, I could be a chef. Coach Smith says hello. Ah, I got it. I got 20 minutes right now while I cook. Hey, I'm cooking, Jordan. Leave me alone, man. Got a throwback for y'all. What we got? I can't see this part. I might mess this up. I'm making duck, Royce. Hey, shout out to Overtime for the fit. You know what I'm saying? Throwback Don, bald head too. I cook it on the fat side, right? On the drop side or the fat? I have it right? My bad. Y'all look at this. We get you a hoodie, Royce. Overtime. Hey, I just started cooking this, Royce. Leave me alone. How you gonna tell me to get on Xbox, man? Omar, what it do? Sports, what up? This coach is my dog. I'm streaming probably again tomorrow, if not, maybe tonight, I'm not sure. Depends if I get done with this. Alright, how about that? I got a request for this one.
It's a major move right here, baby. You gotta get with it and get lost.
Jordan said she don't even know this song. You know the song? No, you don't. You were born in the 2000s. It's before your time.
Right off the bat,
you played me, AAU overtime? You probably lost. It was nice. Cooperstown in Mount Vernon? Hey, y'all want to see Get in My Feelings? Come on. And I'll be free. This is all I've been waiting for. So let's dip a part of me. Oh, you're just my type. Everything's so right. And I just want to share. So let's dip a part of me. Get on the court? How am I going to do that? Be in quarantine, baby. Chuck, my dog. Annika, what's up? I bet. This is gonna get real emotional in here. What y'all know about this one? You know this song, Jordan? You know this song? Check it out. I see you with him. He ain't right, but you don't trip. You stand by while he lies, then turn right around and forget. I can't tell you, see your face with those tears run down your cheeks. But what can I do? I gotta stay true. Just deep down, I'm still a G. And I don't wanna come between you and your man. 2 a.m. Even though I know I treat you better than he can. Girl, I can't help but wait till you get back with him. It don't change how wait till you see that with me it ain't the same. Can't help but wait till you see you for what you really are. Baby girl, you are a star. I can't help but wait, getting fresh to just let him call the shots. You're a queen, you should be getting all that someone's got. You should be rocking the latest in purses, bracelets, and watches. You're worth much more than an occasion. I love you, I'm thinking of you, and I don't wanna come between you. I bet. I got another one for you, Christian. After the chorus, this my shit. Girl, I can't help but wait till you get back with him. It don't change but wait till you see that with me. Hey, overtime, Jordan was like, "Can I get some clothes?" That's what Jordan said, my sister. What you really are, baby girl, you are a star. I can't help but wait, get it together. I got another one. Get deep in the feelings, to the feelings bad.
We gotta talk. I know, but it's just some things I gotta get off my chest.
They can hear me. Pass me the water, please. I got one. Hey, water. In the back. I told y'all I got the hits. I'm not a DJ, I'm not a DJ. Saying that I love you, but you know this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. I swear it only take a minute. You understand when I finish, yeah. And I don't wanna see you cry, but I don't wanna be the one to tell you a lie. I told you I'm in my feelings bad right now. When you just don't know what's on the other side of the door. When you walking out, talk about everything I tried to remember to say. Just went out my head. So I'ma do the best I can to get you to understand. Oh, that's it. Yeah. What up, Sterling? Feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. And I gotta figure out. How about this one? Chris Brown got some hits though.
Say what your name is. Oh yeah, that pretty girl. Tell me where you headed. Can I walk with you, girl? You got that.
Chris Brown got some hits.
Your boy here the whole
Bro.
time and I'm on it, girl. That's right, I'm on it, girl. See, this is the first time I had a girl who looks at me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like a shy.
Cause we gon' get
Some
niggas gon' get
done.
and we gon' get
Crunk and have a lot of fun. And I say,
shawty.
she working on me, she working on me, she talking about this life I like it. She keep it going, poppin'. Shawty keep it going, poppin'. Ooh,
What's Sterling say? I can't see what Sterling said.
You got me open and waiting and poppin'. You keep me going and poppin'. Ooh. Let me tell you, yeah. I'm trying to keep my swagger, but you're about to have me, girl. Jump through about 4-5 hoops of food, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can
You know who else had
see,
hits?
girl.
Neo.
Oh, yes,
Neo
you
had
did.
some
It's
bangers.
just the way you switch, and now I say it's the first time I had a girl who looks at me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like
I'm gonna switch it up. Neo has some hits. Got 6 minutes on the chicken. I'm on the jump. I said chicken. I'm tripping.
Don't tell me that I can't help it. I love the way you feel. This kind of still between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I
I
want
said yours, Sam. I said it 3 times.
it. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem tonight.
JC just went live. How do I join JC's live?
And I don't know if I will quit, but I know that I taking my
Uh-oh. JC. Join my live, bro.
What up, what?
Join my live. You on live? Yeah, join my. Alright, bet. I'm cooking. In case y'all just tuning in. Cooking duck right now. Hey, what y'all know about this one though? Y'all don't know about this one. How do I?
She makes the hands on the back of my neck stand up. Just once up like a volcano and cover up with my love. Baby girl, you make me say.
Hey, what up, though? What's good? This is Jordan.
What up? What up?
What up, fool?
What's up, bro?
I'm chilling, man. Out here making my dinner, bro. I'm making duck.
Oh, Chef Don in the building.
I'm a cook.
You
I'm a
making
cook.
some
bro. I'm
quack?
telling you.
You making
What up?
duck?
What up? I'm nice, bro. Look.
That boy making some quack quack.
Aflac.
What you? What you was DJing?
Nah, I was just playing my hits, bro. I'm telling you, I could be a DJ though. Real talk.
Oh,
What is she?
lightweight. DJ Don in this joint.
You know what I'm saying? What you been on?
Man, you know me, chilling, working out, chilling.
hear that.
You
I
know
need
the
a glass of
vibes.
wine. I'm gonna get a glass of wine tonight for sure.
Oh, big wine, big wine, big wine, big wine. Man, let me show you. Let me see what I'm cooking up tonight.
See my
Oh, I'm on this. I'm on this right here, man.
Okay,
You
okay,
know what I'm
okay. I got
saying?
one for you. I got one for you. I got one for you. Hold on,
Bottle
hold
of
on, hold
cake,
on.
bread, nothing too
I
crazy.
got one for you. I got one for you. Let me see what we got down here. I got it.
I know the bro got something in there.
Oh, it's downstairs. See, the problem is I ran out.
You said you ran out.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I ain't got it up here. Make sure I get that Pinot Noir though.
Oh,
You know,
yeah. I forgot you be on the Pinot.
non-stop. Non-stop.
Man, what's up with the tournament thing? Ain't you
We
got
playing
some
tomorrow.
2K tournament?
I play tomorrow.
They putting it on TV?
Yeah, it's gonna be on ESPN.
That for real?
Yeah,
Oh, that's live.
it's
I'm
got
on that.
lit. I play Rory Hachimura in the first round.
Ooh. Hey man, don't go out like no sucker, man.
Hey,
Not
I'm
in the
using the
first
Jazz.
round.
I'm using the Jazz the first game. They won't let us. They won't let me use the same team throughout. So I'm gonna use us the first game.
We
I
ain't
don't know if
going
we
out
do
in the
second
first
game.
round.
Nah, I can't do that. Can't do that. We did that last year. Can't do that this year. We did that last year. Can't do that.
Don't lose, bro.
Hey, Royce, I know, bro. I know. I can't. I'll be mad if I lose to Rory. He's a rookie.
Well, man, what else you been on? What TV shows, bro? You been watching?
I heard that Tiger joint is crazy. I ain't watch it though.
Yeah, I heard
Tiger
that. I heard
documentary.
it was.
I'll
I
be
heard
on
it's been rolling.
Blacklist.
Huh?
Blacklist. You heard it? Blacklist.
Yeah. What's the I started watching Euphoria. That joint fire.
For real?
Yeah.
My girl in Euphoria. So yeah, she in
Oh yeah. You still big crush, right?
there. Big crush.
Big
I gotta
crush.
hold
Zendaya.
on.
Big
Hold on.
vibes.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, Jordan, type mom's password in the phone. I'm about to start cooking again. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
Oh, that boy out there Benny Hanna. That boy got he, that boy out there hibachi.
It's my assistant chef. No.
Okay. What up, Wes? That boy
Yeah.
Wes Johnson in this thing.
Wesley Johnson?
Yeah, that's my dog right there.
Hold on. Where's the
Man, what else you got on the menu, man? You got that duck. What else you got?
That's it, bro. That's all I got.
You ain't
I
got that
learned.
mac
I
and
learned.
cheese?
I learned how to make. I mean, I got stuff, but I ain't gonna make it. It's already
Yeah,
made.
yeah,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Like I just got to put it in the microwave and we good.
yeah.
That's it. So I learned how to make duck before I learned how to make before I learned how to make eggs, bro.
Hey, look, don't even trip. This all we eating in here for real.
Bro, you've been saying that for 3 weeks, bro. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me finish this real quick. See, a timer went off. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-oh.
Still going to cook on high for 2 minutes. All right, hold on. Video this. Video on your phone. And cook on high.
Chef Don, what he got cooking up?
You got the duck. You know what I'm saying? Get rid of the majority fat in the pan. Add that. Hold on.
Where Mama Duke's at?
She's asleep over there on the couch. Mom, they want you to say hi.
Huh?
She says hello. She's asleep. She been working on that. She back teaching. Jordan back in school. You know, high for 2 minutes. You know, high for 2 minutes. Give me a second, JC. Chef Don at work. High for 2 minutes. Jordan wants
Oh,
to
there
eat
she
it.
go right there. There go the star right there.
How are you?
What's up? What's up? I'm good. How you?
Online teaching today. Kill me.
Yeah, I feel that.
Being safe out there, staying inside.
Oh yeah, I ain't going nowhere. I'm
Right.
low. I'm locked
This is
up.
crazy. It's insane.
Facts.
All right. Have a good one. Nice seeing you.
All right, let me know how that duck come out. I don't know if Donnie know what he doing.
Oh, fuck. No, I'm good. But all right, boy, I'm gonna holler at you later. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my
My
meal.
dog.
All right, baby. How do I do this? All right, bet. We back. New Jack. It's the text from Aunt. The text from Aunt on what to do. Hold on one second. We're still doing my thing. Give me a second. Nah. See me cooking. It's not done yet. Don't judge a book by its cover. You know what I'm saying? Don't judge a book by its cover. Bro, yes I can, Trey. Leave me alone, bro. We got a request from Jordan. Shout out to Jada Kiss too. I know, I really do. Oh, I can't talk right now. Cooking. You say what? I know you do. This who? All right. Let me rest for 5 minutes. What we got? Cora swiping her phone. What else we got, y'all?
Yeah, yeah. Look how my South City. You finna sound nice. You got it good, good. I'm finna swallow that. She got some bad friends. She need a hot at me. I put them all down. I throw them all out. She got a Lisa.
What's for dinner? We got duck for dinner in case y'all just joining in. Just in case y'all joining in. Yeah, I'm up for questions. Go ahead. I'm good, man. Got this time. Thankfully, I'm clear. Things are good. I'm back home. How I'm making the duck? Simple. You do this, you do that, and then boom, it's done. I play Xbox and PS4.
FABOLOUS. This got me singing back. This got me singing back. I got me singing my cup. This got me singing back. Trying to remember it all. Put on my ticket cap. She had on checkable pants. They think was thinking black. I told my boy I could get a better.
Alright, I ain't got all that. I do not wish I went to Cincinnati. Hindsight 2020. That was funny as shit. My favorite cereal, I like Captain Crunch, Frosted Flakes. Shout out to bro.
I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just Jackson. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Expressing the toxin. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the end zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Talk to her, get through with the shit. Told her don't like her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. You can put a cheese with Vincenzo.
Yes, everybody should still be quarantined, not just me. Everybody. Stay home.
Bitches look like she dope. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't mother my ego. She heard my deep so she said, babe, it's her when I deep up. Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she running my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to get on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing a stretching. I'm getting rested with taking advice from people that never consider reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved in this very depressing. I'm in the club with the basketball team. Me and the corners are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession.
Cooking duck.
I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Need you be getting some traction. I'm in the venue is packing. I'm digging her action. I got a baby Simon belt on me and she trying to get it unpleasant. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hoppin'. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just Jackson. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. This voice to the top 10.
All right, y'all. I'm out. Here, Sterling.